would put the blood of the lamb over the door.
V knihe Exodus, že keď dali krv na veraje dverí
And when the blood was there, the angel of death would pass over.
a keď bola krv na tých verajach dverí a anjel smrti išiel okolo, on prešiel okolo, nevošiel dnu.
And so they obeyed and put the blood over the door.
Tak oni posluchli a dali krv na veraje svojich dverí.
And that night,
A tú noc
there would be an angel to pass through.
išiel anjel a prešiel okolo.
If there was no blood over the door,
Keď tam nebola na dverách žiadna krv,
the firstborn would die.
prvorodený zomrel.
There were two houses,
Boli dva domy
and I'm just using this as an illustration.
a ja to dávam iba ako ilustráciu.
And one man said to his neighbor,
A ten muž povedal svojmu susedovi,
I don't know.
a ja neviem,
We've never done this before.
nikdy predtým sme to nerobili.
Kill a lamb and put the blood over the door. We've never done this before.
Zabiť baránka a potrieť tou krvou z toho baránka dvere, to je zvláštne.
We're a little bit afraid.
Trošku sa obávame.
We're wondering what will happen.
My sa čudujeme, čo sa bude diať.
But there was another neighbor,
Ale je tam ešte jeden sused.
and this neighbor said, don't worry about it. God's going to take care of us.
On povedal, ten druhý sused, neboj sa, Boh povedal, že sa o nás postará.
We don't worry. We're trusting God.
My sa nebojíme, my veríme Bohu.
But let me show you something.
Ale dovolte mi niečo ukázať.
Which house was saved?
Ktorý dom bol zachránený?
Both of them.
Oba.
It wasn't how they felt.
To nebolo ohľadom toho, ako sa cítili.
It wasn't their fears.
To neboli ich strachy.
It was not that they had never done this before.
To nebolo o tom, že nikdy predtým to nerobili.
Why were they saved, both houses?
Prečo boli zachránené obidva domy?
Because it wasn't how they felt, it was the blood that saved them.
Lebo to nebolo o ich pocitoch, ale bola to krv, ktorá ich zachránila.
Everybody said, uh-huh.
A každý povie, aha.
Everybody said, uh-huh.
A každý povedzte, aha.
Hey, that's better.
To je lepšie.
I tell you tonight,
Ja vám hovorím dnes večer,
no matter how you fear,
bez ohľadu na to, ako sa bojíš,
no matter how you feel,
bez ohľadu na to, ako sa cítiš,
when Jesus died on that cross,
keď Ježiš zomrel na tom
when they
kríži,
hung him on that cross and the blood poured out,
keď visel na tom kríži a krv z neho tiekla,
the Bible says in Isaiah chapter 52,
Biblia nám hovorí v Izaiášovi v kapitole 51,
his blood would sprinkle many